Cloud computing. Cloud computing, a revolutionary evolution, has played a significant role more than any other technology in safeguarding the world during the pandemic. How did it materialize? COVID-19 forced businesses who hesitated with their cloud migration to accelerate their migration to the cloud to ensure their business continuity. This crisis mode response on cloud computing is one that will reign in the post-pandemic world. According to Gartner, worldwide public cloud services spending is estimated to grow at 18% from about $258 billion in 2020 to over $360 billion in 2022. The narrative of India is analogous to a smaller extent, with the pandemic ushering the essential thrust. According to a NASSCOM report, FY 2020 observed India's public cloud market at Rs 17,000 crore. This is expected to reach Rs 63,000 crore in FY 2025 at a CAGR of 30%. The report also elucidates the primary contributor as small and medium businesses, or SMBs, accounting for an estimated 30% of the cloud market by 2025. India has carved a unique identity as a global hub for cloud solutions with SMBs at the cusp of digital transformation, and cloud adoption is nothing but the catalyst. This is a post from your favorite education guide, College Suggest. Know your course, know your career. In this video, let's lend our ears to the details of computer science engineering in specialization with cloud computing. Cloud is now celebrated as the new normal. It has transcended from being an experiment or afterthought to the buzzword in companies. Businesses have evolved from discussing why they deploy it to when they should utilize this trailblazing technology. Cloud computing is the dispatch of various services with the aid of the internet, including data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. According to an article in Forbes, A Future-Proof Career, the worldwide IT cloud service for public revenue was $127 billion in 2018, and it soared to a colossal $167 billion in 2020. The same report shared that the cloud computing market is fast growing at 22.8%. In 2018, 62% of all CRM software took the form of cloud-based technologies. But the cloud journey is far from over. A recent NASSCOM report states that the Indian cloud computing market is currently valued at $2.2 billion and is anticipated to surge at 30% for hitting $7.1 billion by 2022. Considering all of this, we can safely predict that expertise in this field can award candidates with lucrative job opportunities. As India aims to become a cloud-first nation, and with the government's push for cloud adoption by MSMEs, it will be pivotal for SMBs in India to consider themselves digital enterprises, spearheading the e-revolution for India. Nearly 50 million small businesses and startups in the country play a crucial role in cloud adoption. However, to be adept in this field, you are to exhibit your finesse. And the skills presented are technical skills, knowledge of computing fundamentals and programs, financial skills, being aware of financial entities like ROI and marketing strategies, data analysis, skills in data mining and operating ERP systems, project management skills, experience in dealing with risk management, service agreements, and so on, security skills, knowledge in working concepts like network security, including encryptions, authorization, and protocols. India's national and state governments play a crucial role in boosting cloud adoption. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, in her budget speech earlier this year, presented a policy that sanctioned the private sector to build data center parks. However, it's not merely companies in the nation that are focusing on cloud computing. It is equally pertinent to gain mastery in top-notch institutions across India. Some of the finest colleges are DIT University, UPES, Sharda University, PDM, LPU, Chitkara University, JKLU, UTM, Modi University, Manav Rachna University, Jain University, Quantum University, SRM University, Galgotias University, KCC ITM, and JUET. How do these colleges select their students? Most colleges choose students once they fulfill the eligibility criteria. A pass in Class 10 and Class 12 with a minimum of 55% marks in the PCM stream. Preference will be given to JEE rank holders for handpicking the top students. Similarly, the Indian government, being superior in the technological revolution, Cloud Vision for India 2022 focuses on instituting India as a global hub for cloud computing, content hosting and delivery, as well as data communication systems and services. On average, tuition fees in these colleges could be anywhere between Rs 80,000 and 2 lakh per year. According to IDC, the cloud computing market in India is expected to reach $4 billion by 2020. This is a rise from $2.2 billion in 2018 at an annual growth rate of 30%. This escalation in the cloud market will engender the demand for 1 million cloud computing professionals by 2022. The average salary of a fresher in a cloud computing job can be anywhere from 3.36 lakhs. A mid-level experienced cloud computing professional can earn 5.52 lakhs on average. With adequate experience of nearly 10 years, the professional can grow to earn an average salary of Rs 14.89 lakh per annum, and in his late career, he can develop his skills and earn an average salary of 17.45 lakhs per annum. Amazon.com Inc., in an attempt to democratize knowledge and build the technical skill gap, focuses on aiding the upskilling of 29 million people across the globe by 2025. This retraining prioritizes skills for cloud computing as significant. Another giant in this field, IBM, says it is deploying a $19 billion chunk of its business to focus on cloud computing. This split will sucker IBM to bring into the spotlight its cloud platform and artificial intelligence. This redefinition has aided in generating more than $24.4 billion in the previous year by employing the hybrid cloud platform. This opportunity is offered by many companies across the globe, and some of the top-notch recruiters in this field are Amazon, IBM, Wipro, Infosys, Oracle, Cisco Systems Inc., TCS Limited, HCL Technologies, Accenture Technology Solutions, and Capgemini. A recent NASSCOM study indicates that while over 60% of small businesses have adopted the cloud, nearly 50% are still at a nascent stage, and about 15% are advanced users. However, SMBs that adopted the cloud have driven a 25 to 30% productivity improvement and a 15 to 20% reduction in operational costs. These steering companies assign very interesting and innovative job roles and responsibilities for a cloud computing engineer. Some of the tasks are innovating technologies of cloud computing and virtualization, principles, modeling, analysis, design, deployment, and industry-oriented application tasks, enhancing solution architecture and programming engaging technologies, finally, developing applications and services for the cloud. Here's hoping we've provided a 360-degree analysis on this topic. With the dawn of remote networking, upskilling, and reskilling being the norm, 59% of Indian enterprises said they would upskill employees in the field of cloud security. Meanwhile, 69% of enterprises are training employees on cloud-based data and analytics skills. Looking at the IT giants in India, 77% said that their organizations were doing enough to constantly reskill employees on cloud services, 21% higher than the US, and 35% higher than the UK. As cloud computing streaks towards becoming a $300 billion business by 2021, the employer interest in cloud computing has increased exponentially across the globe, with a 33% escalation according to Indeed. Therefore, to be digitally equipped, a twofold surge in the talent pool is required, 1.8 million to 3.7 million by 2024. Despite this twofold escalation, a gushing demand will outstrip supply. This highlights the massive demand for trained cloud professionals, a surefire career. So what is the course that you want to pursue next? Let us know in the comment section below. If you agree with our analysis, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.